How to pay someone with Apple Pay. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can pay someone and send money to someone using Apple Pay on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your settings, scroll to the bottom, and you'll be able to see an option of wallet. So this is basically wallet and Apple Pay. So over here, you gotta add payment methods and you can pay with Face ID using Apple Pay, make purchases in shops and in apps without swiping your card or entering your card and shopping detail. So you can use public transport without swiping your card. So you can click on add card, and after that you'll be able to use your Apple Pay and wallet using that card. So you can add any card you want, such as your Sapphire card or any other card such as MasterCard, and that will basically you'll be able to add funds into your Apple Pay through that card. So just click on add card and write down your card credential such as your CSV number and your expiry date, and you'll be able to add some funds into your Apple Pay. Once done, you're gonna head over to the wallet. So head over to app library and search for wallet over here. So just click on wallet. And here, this is basically the Apple Pay wallet. So if you have added your cards over there, you'll be able to see those cards displayed over here. Now, if you wish to send some Apple Pay funds to anyone else, you'll simply have to click on that respective card. And after that, they will verify using your Face ID. So just verify that, or you can just verify using any biometric that you have set on your phone. And after you do so, you will be redirected to select the contact. So you can just select the contact of the specific person who you wish to send the funds and just select the amount you wish to pay. So simply select on the amount, and if you do have those much funds in your account, you'll be able to send them. So what basically Apple Pay would do is that it would add or take funds from your bank card, and you'll be able to send or receive money on Apple Pay using those card instead of swiping and entering down your PIN code again and again. So that was basically how to pay someone with Apple Pay. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.